did in the legislation of Douglas yesterday reminded me of a story. The preacher prays for all, the lawyer pleads for all, the doctor prescribes for all, and John Q. Public pays for all. On behalf of the homecomers, Quadro, we certainly want to thank you for this wonderful time we know we're going to have in Castletown. It just seems that every day, every place we go gets a little better, and I know that these fine-looking children that we have here today are going to put on a wonderful performance for us. And with those few words, thank you, Mr. Qualto, and to the people of Castletown for the homecomers.
Now I am the Director of Education and our Headmaster of the Castle Russian School and our excellent conductor, Mr. Pickard here. The boys and girls are now going to sing to us a few songs. You may know them, I suppose. I hope you will. somewhat not infrequently. And therefore, apart from the general sympathy of foreign secretaries, the death declaration activity, I think that there is one special reason. Here we are engaged in building up with Canada, France, and other countries of Western Europe a defense organization which shall be a